The sum and the product of the roots of quadratic equation. We have the formula for the sum x sub 1 plus x sub 2 equals negative b over a. For the product, x sub 1 times x sub 2 equals c over a. Usually kasi, para makuha natin ang sum at product ng roots ng isang given quadratic equation, ay sinusolve muna natin ang given quadratic equation using any methods, like by factoring, by completing the square, by extracting square roots, and by using quadratic formula. But this time, gagamitin natin itong dalawang formula na ito para makuha natin yung sum at saka product ng roots ng isang given quadratic equation. Let us use this principle dito sa tatlong items. For item number 1, given x squared minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0, bago natin isolve ang isang quadratic equation, ay dapat ang isang quadratic equation ay nakawritten sa standard form na ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then, pag nasa standard form na siya, i-identify natin yung a, b at saka c. So, ang item number 1 natin is written in standard form. So, kunin natin si ABC. A is equal to 1. Since ang coefficient ni x squared is 1, B is equal to negative 2. Negative 2. C is equal to negative 15. So, this is our C. Okay, so pagkatapos nyan, pag nakuha natin si A, B, C doon sa given quadratic equation, gagamitin natin itong formula na to para sa sum. For the sum. So, we have sum is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 equals negative b over a. Okay, so ito yung ating gagamitin. By substitution, isa-substitute natin si a, b dito sa ating equation. So we have negative. Ang b natin is negative 2. A is 1. So negative times negative is positive. So negative times negative 2 is 2 over 1. So the sum is equal to 2. So, pag nakuha natin yung roots ng given quadratic equation at pag i-add natin yon, ang makukuha natin is 2. Right? For the product. For the product, we have x sub 1 times x sub 2 equals c over a. And our C is negative 15. Our A is 1. So negative 15 divided by 1 is negative 15. Okay, so pag i-multiply, pag nakuha natin yung roots ng quadratic equation na to, at pag i-multiply natin siya, ito yung makukuha natin. Negative 15. For the sum is 2. For item number 2, nasa standard form na siya. So our A is 3, B is negative 4, C is negative 15. So for the sum, we have negative b over A. So ang B natin, ang ilalagay natin dito is si B. Okay, B. And our B is negative 4. A is 3. So negative times negative 4. Negative times negative 4 is 4 over 3. For the product, we have C over A. Okay, so C. So ang nakalagay dito is si C. And the value of C is negative 15. A. Dapat dito si A. And our A is 3. So negative 15. Negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. So pag nakuha natin yung roots ng given quadratic equation at i-add natin yon, ang makukuha ay 4 over 3. At pag i-multiply naman natin siya, ang makukuha ay negative 5. For item number 3. Again, let us check kung siya ay nasa standard form. So nasa standard form naman siya. So ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin si A, which is equal to 6. B, ang numerical coefficient nito is 1. So ang B natin is negative 1. C is equal to negative 2. So negative 1 by B, negative 2 for C. Then for the sum is negative B over A. So negative B over A. So negative B over A. Our B is negative 1. Our A is 6. Negative times negative is positive. So we have 1 over 6. For the product is C over A. So we have our C is negative 2. Our A is 6. So lowest term, negative 2 over 6 is negative 1 over 3. So pag nakuha natin ang roots ng quadratic equation na to, at pag i-add natin siya, ang makuha natin is 1/6. At ang product naman ng roots ng quadratic equation na to is negative 1 over 3.